So we can insert a text box here. Let's go Alt and X to insert a text box. Let us draw the text box here and let us write inside the net present value of terminal value future cash flows and enterprise value in bracket $sign in billions. So we have that set up. We can make the fill color make that gray. So we have that set up there. So we can clearly visualize the net present value, the terminal value, future cash flows, enterprise value in billions. So as you can see, we have that set up here. So for the enterprise value, it's approximately $2.4 trillion. So let us switch things around again here. So if we change here the discount rate to say 6%, we can see that it updates also in our chart. If we change the discount rate here to say 10%, we can see that our chart also updates with the discount rate, and the net present value for the terminal value changes, future cash flows, net present value changes, and the enterprise value changes as well. We can change the cost of sales to say it was 25% in the best case. We can also switch that to, so we can see what happens in the model. So certain assumptions in this model significantly changes everything around the model. So for this chart, we can see that it is impacted with our sensitivity inputs right here. So let us say we want to switch the terminal value EBITDA multiple. Let us make it 30 times. You can see that it changes the assumptions, it changes our chart. You can see that the enterprise value has moved to approximately $1.9 million, $1.9 trillion, because we have the terminal EBITDA multiple of 30 times. So if we make this 20 times, we can see that it decreases to approximately $1.4 trillion for the enterprise value. If we make this to say 40 times, it increases the terminal value for the future cash flows, terminal value for the net. It increases the net present value of the future cash flows, increases the net present value of the terminal value, and it also increases the enterprise value, just because we are changing this terminal EBITDA multiple here under the sensitivity input. So as you can see, it's very nice to find this kind of tools in our model. So having done this, the next thing we want to do will be, so we have been able to output almost everything under this DCF analysis. So the next thing we want to do here is to account for other valuation methods such as precedent transactions and sum of the part analysis, which are key primary valuation methodologies in valuing Amazon. So we're gonna be doing the sum of the parts analysis, and then we will also do the precedent transactions. So it's very important for the sum of the part analysis. We can switch to this tab here where we have here the sum of the parts analysis. So essentially here, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be bringing in very important metrics. So as we said before, the sum of the parts analysis will bring in our metrics from the comparable